Hello everyone, welcome. Since the Festival of Lights is right around the corner, we have 5 new words for you that you can use in your conversations. We also have a surprise for you, our listeners, towards the end of the video, so make sure to watch the entire thing. So let's begin the glittering word series to commemorate the Festival of Lights. The first word is illuminate. Illuminate. It means to supply light. For example, the floor lamp illuminates the living room. The next word is bedazzle. Bedazzle. Now you would know this word if you follow our 30-second word series, which I would really recommend you follow since we discuss a new word every day and you can learn it in just 30 seconds. Coming back to the word bedazzle, it means to overpower with light. For example, the theatre's enormous chandelier bedazzled the child. The next word is glisten. Glisten. It means to give off a sparkling reflection. So for example, the diamond glistens in full light, or the rain made the streets glisten. The next word is gleam. Gleam. It means a small bright light, a gleam of light. So for example, the door cracked open and a gleam of light entered the room. Or he saw a gleam of flashlight from the distance. The next word is luster. Luster. It means a glow of reflected light. For example, Hope Diamond is famous for its brilliant luster. And now for the bonus. Drum rolls, please. Comment down below if you know what the phrase drum rolls, please means. We have 2 rare English words for you that you can use to get in those elite inner circles and coterie. If you want to know what coterie means, do check out our 30-second word series. The first word is clinquant. Clinquant. It is originally a French word which is clinquant, but it becomes clinquant in English. And it means glittery or sparkly. The next word is scintillating. Scintillating. It means something that is bright and sparkling, like the sun. You can also use it for a person who's witty and gives smart answers. So you can say a scintillating person or a person with a scintillating personality. If you really want to improve your language, then you need to practice it daily. That will not just build your confidence, but also enhance your vocabulary and resultantly make you more fluent. You can DM us on Instagram to join or to know more about our English course. The link for our Instagram handle would be in the description down below. So to keep learning and practicing your English language, do like the video, share it with your friends who you think would benefit from enhancing their vocabulary, and subscribe to the channel while you're at it. See you next time.